Welcome to Bordeaux, a city where history flows as freely as its famous wine. Let's explore the historic northern core. We start at the Esplanade de Quinconses, one of Europe's largest city squares, a space of grand ambitions. At its heart stands the Monument aux Girondins, a towering tribute to the Republic's heroes. Crowning the column is Liberty breaking her chains, a symbol of the resilience Bordeaux embodies. The crescent moons represent the Port of the Moon, the city's historic harbor shape. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. These statues were hidden during World War II, returning to their home in 1983. Walking south along the Allée de Tourny, we experience the city's aristocratic charm. Look for the mascarons, 3,000 unique stone faces watching over the streets. Now we arrive at the crown jewel of Bordeaux, the neoclassical Place de la Bourse. Commissioned by Louis XV, this square marked the city's embrace of international trade. Designed by Henri-Jacques Gabriel, it's a masterclass in architectural harmony and scale. The Fountain of the Three Graces stands where a royal statue once stood before the Revolution. Across the street is the Miroir d'eau, the world's largest reflecting pool. Every few minutes, the water transforms into a magical mist, cooling the summer air. At night, the reflection doubles the beauty of the city's golden limestone. This space connects the city heart to the river Garonne, its historic lifeblood. Moving inland, we find the city's streets are both grand and intimate. We reach the Place de la Comédie, home to the awe-inspiring Grand Théâtre. Completed in 1780, its facade is adorned with 12 massive columns. Each column is topped with a statue representing the muses and ancient goddesses. The grand staircase inside inspired the famous Opera Garnier in Paris. It's one of Europe's oldest wooden-framed opera houses to never suffer a fire. This building even served as the temporary capital of France 3 times during war. Nearby is Rue Sainte-Catherine, Europe's longest pedestrian shopping street. Stretching over a kilometer, it is the beating heart of modern Bordeaux. Bordeaux's northern core is a harmonious blend of light, stone, and vision. At sunset, the city glows, truly a city of art and history. Part 1 ends here. Join us in Part 2 as we explore the medieval South. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.